milk smoothies. I have made a lot. Let me find the gumball machine.
Oh.
I can't find it. Oh, here it is. Doesn't it look the same?
Oh gosh.
Doesn't it look the
How did you do that? Using circles?
Let me show you more. I got also.
Wow. Is that snail? No way. Oh, that was my favorite.
This one?
Yeah, the ribbon. Pinky.
Do you like coffee?
Yeah.
Coffee? From Starbucks?
Oh, yeah, Starbucks.
And I got a little chicken.
Okay. So small. Yeah,
No,
I can see.
there's small ones and big ones.
How many minutes will it take for one?
Hours. It takes me all of these combined. It takes me about 1 hour.
Oh gosh.
No, actually more than 1 hour for all of these that I have made.
One thing I wanna know is do you need to stick those?
Oh yeah. Well, I have something. It is over there. It's not downstairs. Like